How to check WhatsApp group message read receipts. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find WhatsApp group message read receipts. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device. Once you have opened WhatsApp, go ahead and tap on the group where you want to check the read receipts. Now, once you have opened the group, swipe towards the left on your screen of the message and you will be able to see all the read receipts. The individuals who have read the message will appear under the Read By tab, and the individuals who have not read the message yet will appear under the Delivered To tab. In my case, all the group members have read the message, so I do not have the Delivered To tab. So, this is how you can check WhatsApp group message read receipts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.